Hello guys, this is Reese from Bommarito St. Peter's Volkswagen in St. Louis with another tip for you today on your 2025 Tiguan. This is how to turn on light assist in your car. That's your automatic high beams. So we're going to go to, this is your 12-inch screen right here. If you have an SER line black edition or lesser trim on the 2025 Tiguan, you're going to have this screen right here. First thing you're going to do, hit the little cube right there. Go to the vehicle widget right there. You're going to see interior over here on this side. You're going to see exterior over here on this side. So interior does cockpit. You can change your settings there, but we're not interested in that. We're going to do exterior. So we go to exterior and we're going to swipe across if we're not on this screen, because you could be on this screen here. There's 4 pages down here, as you can see. So there's 4 there. And then we're going to go to, we want to actually be on the first page though. I wanted to show you that says headlight. So we tap headlight. It brings up these options here. Your car may already have this turned on, but light assist is your automatic high beam. Dynamic cornering light is a cornering light. Essentially what it says, when you turn the wheel to the right, there's a light on the right side that lights up on your right side. Ditches, low-lying areas, it's kind of a turning aid. The automatic headlights, your turn on time is set to medium here. You can do early, you can do late. Automatic headlights during rain, you can turn that on. And convenience turn signals, you can also turn that on. Convenience turn signals are if you're doing a quick lane change, you just flick the turn signal stalk quickly, just a quick little flick, and it's going to do 3 convenience flashes, and then it's done. Otherwise, you just click it all the way on, and the turn signal stays on until you cancel it. So you could drive for miles with your turn signal on. So the convenience turn signals is kind of cool. I hope this video has helped you. If you have any questions at all, leave them down in the comments. Thanks a lot, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. Have a great day.